Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to buy coins on Trust Wallet Pancakeswap. First, open Trust Wallet and tap D apps, then select Pancakeswap. Connect your wallet, choose BNB as the input token, and paste the token contract address. Enter the amount, adjust slippage and deadline, then confirm the swap in wallet. Always review token details and amounts before approving any transaction to avoid costly mistakes. Before swapping, make sure you have sufficient BNB in Trust Wallet on the BEP20 network. Open your receive screen, copy your BNB address, and send funds from an exchange or another wallet. Keep a little extra BNB for gas in case prices spike. Double-check every address and contract you interact with, and never approve permissions from untrusted sites to protect your funds and reduce the risk of token scams. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical crypto guides. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading guides and white papers comfy on the go with a bright display and long battery life. Check the video description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. On Pancakeswap, paste the token contract into the token selector and verify the token name and decimals. Enter the BNB amount or token amount you want to swap, then set slippage tolerance depending on token volatility. Tap Swap, review the details, and approve the transaction in Trust Wallet when prompted. After confirmation, monitor the transaction status and check your token balance once the swap completes to ensure everything arrived correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.